How to change Cash App business to personal. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change Cash App from business to personal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change Cash App from business to personal, all you have to do is simply first of all open Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface where you want to just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side. Now the issue over here is that I recently switched to a business account and I want to switch back to personal, and in order to do that, here you'll find a section where it says business info. After you come to the account page, you want to tap on business info, and now here you can see it, switch to personal account. So just tap on switch to personal account. It will most likely ask you to simply confirm to a support team in order to change it to personal, so you might as well go ahead and do that. Tap the contact support option that you see over here. Tap the contact support option, talk to a live vision, and they should be able to help you with changing it back to your personal account, because that's the only thing you can do. That is it for today's video on how you can switch from business account to personal on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.